what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog. Today we're opening the Papergang box of June. I have been very excited about this box. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen that already. And the reason why I was excited about this is because £1 per box sold is donated towards the conservation of our seas, coasts and marine wildlife. I mean, I'm no saint and there are so many more improvements I can make, but my boyfriend and I, we've been trying to cut back on our plastic waste, and we use like soap bars and shampoo bars and stuff like that. I even, look, I even have one of those metal straws. Not that I would usually use straws, but at work we also use metal straws now, which I think is kind of cool. So I thought this box was very exciting, and the Papergang thought so too, because they were like advertising it like crazy. Like on Instagram I've seen so many spoilers. I was so annoyed. Like the Papergang posted spoilers in their stories. They posted advertisements which I got on my feed, and they posted spoilers in that as well, and then someone else posted spoilers, and I was really annoyed because I got it quite late this month, and it's always so hard not to see any spoilers, and this month it was particularly hard. So I did see quite a few spoilers already, but I'm still really excited to open this. It's heavier than I expected, and I'm kind of interested to see what's in here. So first of all, oh yeah, before I do this, let me say one more thing. This video is not sponsored in any way. I am not collaborating with Papergang. They don't pay me anything to do these videos. The only thing I get out of these videos is I have a referral link that I will put down below. If 2 of you sign up using my referral link, I get 1 box for free. I just have to pay for shipping. So if you want to sign up for Papergang, I would be kind of happy and glad if you would use my referral link, because that way I can continue making these videos. However, for this month's box I did pay full price because I was so excited. I was kind of afraid it would be sold out, so I just decided to pay full price instead of waiting for the first of the month when like the automatic renewal is. Okay, so I'm a little bit late this month with the Papergang, I mean, not with my period or anything else, but I think the reason why I was late is because for some reason they only printed half of my address. Like I think the post office had to find out my home number, but that's okay because I couldn't film this week anyway, because you may or may not know, but I'm in charge of the cat cafe this week and it's really long hours, long days, so I thought I wouldn't be able to film. But I bought these easy meals for myself, and I just found out it has to go in the oven for 40 minutes. So we're just gonna open this box. So first thing in here is a blue whale cutout by Daniel Randall. I don't know, it's just a whale cutout. Could be kind of cool, although I still haven't done any of that. By the way, they did this last time as well. They now have these eco-friendly tape, like eco-friendly brown tape. I think that's really cool. So I haven't looked at it yet, although I did see so many spoilers. I know there's going to be a notebook in here. Oh yeah. And this is the patch that you get when you sign up for the Papergang for the first time. The reason why I get this patch again is because I had to add an extra address, you know, because I wanted to order the Papergang box because I was afraid it was going to sell out. So that's why they gave me another one, but I've been a member for quite long. Ooh, I can feel a notebook in here. What's that sound? So yay, blue tissue paper, which matches the theme very well. And then, oh, we've got some weird shapes. I think there might be pens in here. Oh yes, okay, so this is, oh my god, I'm so curious about this now. This is what I saw on Instagram. I always, whenever I see that it's going to be a spoiler, I always try to close my eyes and scroll forward, but this I did already see, but I have to say it is so much more pretty in real life. It's a notebook. It's like A5 sized. It's maybe a little bit bigger. I think bigger than A5. It's kind of sturdy, but this is going to turn ugly really fast. But what I like about it is, first of all, the print, how colorful it is, and that it has like a holographic foiling, which is cool. I don't think they've done foiling before. And other than that, it's just a really simple, oh wait, oh that's weird. It's a simple notebook. I wanted to say like a lined notebook, but it has lines on one side and then it's blank on the other side. But when I feel the paper, I think it's also because this paper is kind of thin. So I think it's going to be because they only are lined on one side, because if you write on both sides, it might bleed. So the paper quality is not great. It's definitely perfect for like note taking or something. But I have a thing for notebooks, okay? This just makes me happy. I really like it. It's definitely on my list of favorites so far. Next up, I also saw a spoiler of this, but I didn't know it was going to be a poster. And it says, "There is no planet B." And this really suits me because it's kind of, I try not to annoy I try not to annoy people too much by trying to spread the word, but this is perfect. There is no planet B. I might hang that in the background of my videos. And again, it has the holographic foiling and some of the same designs. Oh, it has a narwhal. Oh shoot, yep, I also saw a spoiler for this. Damn, I know like nearly all of the content because of the stupid spoilers, but I'm still quite excited. So this is actually a poster, little A5 sized poster with, again, the holographic foiling and there is no planet B. Quite like that. I also really like this color, so I'm definitely keeping that myself. Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. And then this is this month's wow, I cannot speak. This month's monthly overview card, like a little calendar page. Yeah, it's quite plain, but it's cute. Ooh, did not see this yet. It's a little sticker sheet. I'm kind of sad there's only one sticker sheet. Usually there's 3 of them. There's actually quite a lot in this box. So we've got a sticker sheet. It feels like a little bit like vinyl stickers, vinyl, really cool. Again, the same design. There's quite a lot of the same design in this month's box. Usually it's like 1 or 2 designs, but it's a nice design, so I'm not complaining. I'm keeping this myself for sure. Little narwhal, and then yeah, there's a pin. And I think I like I said, I've already seen this. I'm really looking at this. I wonder if it's cutlery. That would be really cool. Or pens. It's like a golden enamel. Is it called enamel? I don't know. Enamel. I don't know. It's like a little pin with a narwhal on it. I think that's kind of cool. I do have to say that for some reason, don't be angry at me, but it feels like they put in more products this time, but the quality seems to be a little bit less than what we're used to them. Because I remember, wait, I have it here. They gave us this like butterfly pin. It's also from the Papergang, and the quality seems to be so much better than this one. Like I'm not complaining, because I think for these type of things I prefer quantity over quality, but it's just something I'm noticing now that I'm actually holding it. Not complaining though, because it's cute, but it's just something I like notice right now. And then we've got the little booklet, which I will flip through in a second, but first, oh my god, wait! Oh my god, it's actually straws! Oh my god, okay, so it's like, is this really the... I think it's the exact same. No, slightly different, but it's like nearly identical to the one I'm using now. That's crazy. That's really cool. Okay, so the last product, this is really weird. I did not actually see this. The last product in the Papergang is 3 metal straws, and I'm really excited about this. Not for me, because I mean, hello, I have a ton of metal straws. I don't need these for myself, but I'm so excited by the thought that so many people out there have metal straws as well now. They may be replacing their plastic straws with these. That's really awesome. So I'm really excited about these, purely by the idea that many people are going to be inspired by this. These are also the ones we use at work. They're quite nice. I mean, I'm not I cannot really say anything about metal straws, but I use them all the time. I'm really excited about this. And then there's like this kind of sleeve for the metal straws, although it's really big. So you could definitely use this as like a pencil pouch, but if you're just going to transport one straw, it might be a bit big, but still it's kind of cute. Might start using that for work. Okay, so that is all in this month's Papergang box. Now let's look at the prices. Where's the booklet? Let's look at the prices and the information. Oh, the illustrations are by Jack Carter. Blah blah blah. Single-use plastic. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm kind of like excited that hopefully a lot of people will read this and will start thinking about ways to reduce our plastic waste. For example, it says take a reusable water bottle and coffee cup. I do that. Pack food in reusable tubs. I do that. Choose clothes that are 100% natural. Might need to start looking into that. Pick pizza in cardboard as opposed to more exotic takeout served in lidded plastic containers. Avoid ready prepared baby and dog food in single-use pouches. Replace your shower gels and shampoo bottles with bars. I do that. Bamboo brush. I do that. Wet wipes are handy, but check their two batteries down. I don't know what's going on. I think my batteries are influenced by my own battery. But okay, I've said this so many times, but I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about this. Ooh, there's a new quarterly subscription for people who love to draw. That's not me. Okay, let's talk about the contents. We have the A5 Perfect Bound Notebook. Recommended retail price $8.95. The enamel pin $5.95. The sticker is £1. The A5 art print is £9. Huh? That's weird. And it says 2 times metal straws, $5.50, but I got 3. I don't know if that's a mistake or if everyone got 3, but that's kind of cool. So it says 2 straws, but I got 3 and it's $5.50. So yes, that is kind of awesome. I'm definitely happy with these contents. I'm gonna find someone to make happy. No, I'm gonna find someone I can make happy with these straws, and then probably keeping the rest myself. Let me know in a comment down below, what is your favorite item? Would you be happy with this box or not so much? Also let me know, do you use metal straws or bamboo straws or something else? I hope I will see you again soon. Okay, bye bye.